All right, so we're back. This is a incline chest press for growing your pecs, getting that Arnold Schwarzenegger big motherfucking chest that you always dream about. The chest that's going to make your girlfriend or wife jealous as fuck. Even your boyfriend, if you have that. I think most people who are watching this channel are guys. But if you're a girl, well, my lady, welcome to the channel. I'll treat you with respect if you treat me with respect. My pronouns are massive as fuck. Oh yeah. All right. So let me get to it. This right here is an incline chest press, and we're going to focus on making a stretch in our pecs. Slowly down. Make sure that you touch your fucking chest with the bar and up. You can rest a little bit in the bottom, but don't rest it on your chest. Hold it and push. This is going to stimulate while stretching your muscles. Make sure that you focus. You can close your eyes, you can have them open, you can say Kamehameha, whatever the fuck you want to say. But make sure you get that full stretch. Don't worry about your shoulders. I'm not feeling a shit in my shoulders, but only my chest right now. So this is something you should try at home, all right? If you have problems, well, I'll show you another setup next time. But right now, try it, all right? Honestly, fucking try it at home.